going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone had a happy new year, and we're very excited for 2021 because we're gonna be dropping a lot of vids for the channel. We're gonna be dropping a lot of sneaker reviews, how to style sneakers, and more clothing pickup. And in today's video, we picked up the Yeezy 700 V3 Safflower. We're very excited to be adding this to the collection, and we're gonna show you guys how the sneakers look on feet, so stay tuned. And guys, it's kind of funny because last year we started off the year by picking up the Yeezy 700 V3s in the original colorway, the Azael. So it's kind of funny that we started off the year with this Safflower colorway, and it looks very similar to the original colorway. So we're gonna be doing an update of how to style these on feet, so stay tuned. We picked up the sneaker in a size 9. That's our size we picked up in Yeezys, and it comes in this standard 700 box. It has no boost on the side, and we're just gonna get the sneaker out to show you guys how it looks up close. And the sneaker actually came with this extra pair of black laces, which I prefer over this bungee cord. I think eventually we're gonna have to cut this off and just replace them. And I like how this one has some few minor details that are different from the original 700 V3s. It has this gum outsole. I think the original one didn't have a gum outsole. And also, speaking of the outsole, I just noticed that the EVA foam is done in this orange color, which is a lot different from the previous one. And I like the overall aesthetic of the sneaker because it has this like aged vintage look to it. And when it comes to like 700s, we usually go with like a size 9, which is our standard size, because we just like the tighter fit on our foot. It fits us a lot better than going up a half a size. We actually brought the original 700 V3s out to show you guys how similar both of these sneakers are. From a far distance, I'm not gonna cap, they look identical, but when you look up close, the Safflower has this subtle yellow knitting in the mesh, which gives it like a different look, and it has this H outsole, which gives it like a vintage look as well. Now, if you guys already have the original Azael, I don't think it's gonna make sense to go ahead and pick up the Safflower, even though they made like subtle changes to it. But if you don't have the Azael colorway, this would be a great pickup because it has this aged look, and it's a lot cheaper than the original 700. So it's definitely like a great pickup. It's gonna get a lot of wear from us because the original one's already showing a little bit of wear and tear, so it's good to have a second sneaker to add to the rotation. Now, with all the 700 V3 colorways that I've released so far, the original colorway and this Azure colorway stood out to me the most. But this Azure colorway seemed to draw a lot of new people to the 700 V3 silhouette because it has this bright blue on the side, and this bright blue has never been done on the Yeezy before, so that's why it drew a lot of new people. But the newer 700 V3s are mere copies of these two original colorways. I guess they didn't want to just restock these two colorways, they wanted to revamp them to give people a second chance that missed out on these two sneakers. Now, with the sneaker having this eggshell golden kind of color, I think like camel pants will really go well with this sneaker, like especially like those hunting camels. They will really accentuate the silhouette, and like Carhartt, vintage Carhartt jackets will really go well with this sneaker as well. So we're gonna be experimenting with those pieces. And before we get to the end of the video, before we show you guys how the outfit look, if you guys are new to the channel, please guys go ahead and subscribe to the channel, support us for 2021 because we're gonna be dropping a lot of vids for you guys. And please subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and please leave a like down below, and I'll drop a comment down below as well. Tell us which outfit you guys liked in the on feed as well. And until then, guys, we'll see you guys in our next video.